This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. In today's news, Louisville-based GE Appliances, a subsidiary of Haier, marked a significant milestone with a $450 million investment in Appliance Park, unveiling two cutting-edge assembly lines in its dishwasher manufacturing facility. The event, attended by Kentucky Gov. Andy Beshear, Louisville Mayor Craig Greenberg, and GE Appliances CEO Kevin Nowlan highlighted the company's commitment to bolstering the state's economy and manufacturing sector. This expansion has positioned the plant as the largest of its kind in the U.S., showcasing GE Appliances' dedication to U.S. manufacturing and its hometown, Louisville. The new assembly lines specialize in producing Cafe and Monogram brand dishwashers, catering to diverse customer demands. One of the lines is adaptable, allowing production adjustments based on market needs, a testament to GE Appliances' flexibility and responsiveness to consumer preferences. The investment also introduced state-of-the-art technologies, including automated driving vehicles, robots collaborating with employees, and the integration of virtual reality and 3D scanning. These innovations have not only enhanced efficiency but also significantly reduced ergonomic injuries by 47%. GE Appliances has been a cornerstone of Louisville's economy since 1953, employing 1,700 workers in the dishwasher unit alone. The company's commitment to its employees is evident through initiatives like supporting educational pursuits, exemplified by employee Heather Collins, who is pursuing a bachelor's degree in manufacturing with assistance from GE Appliances. This investment in human capital aligns with the company's vision of creating opportunities and fostering growth within the community. Furthermore, GE Appliances has demonstrated a dedication to diversity and inclusivity by pledging $1 billion with minority-owned suppliers by 2030. Additionally, the introduction of the Smart Assist app exemplifies GE Appliances' focus on enhancing customer experience, providing users with real-time notifications and guides for minor maintenance tasks, simplifying appliance management for consumers. GE Appliances, a vital component of Louisville's industrial landscape, contributes significantly to the local economy. As one of the city's largest employers with approximately 8,500 workers, the company produces millions of appliances annually. Its positive impact on the state's GDP, initially at $5 billion in 2020 and now estimated closer to $7 billion, underscores the magnitude of GE Appliances' influence. The investment not only signifies a substantial leap in advanced manufacturing but also symbolizes a collaborative effort between the private sector and the government, showcasing the potential for mutually beneficial partnerships in driving economic growth and innovation. This has been your Daily Tech News, and please subscribe and come back tomorrow for more.